In this video, we'll show you how to use the Ecogate Setup Assistant, which is built in the Ecogate Power Master VFD. First, click Menu at the bottom right corner, then select Assistant, and finally, Ecogate Setup. A window with instructions should display. Press Next. In Step 1, you choose the model of your greenBOX control unit. Then, press Next. It takes a few moments for parameters to load. Once loaded, Step 2 is to set up the power supply for the variable frequency drive. Once set up, press Next. In Step 3, you enter the motor current exactly as it is on the nameplate of the motor. Press Save, and then again, press Next. After this, you enter the motor voltage, also exactly as it is on the nameplate of the motor. For Step 5, enter the motor nominal frequency, which in the US is 60 Hz, so we'll select that and press Next. Step 6 is where you enter the motor nominal speed to also match the nameplate of the motor. Press Save and then Next. For Step 7, enter the motor nominal power. You may enter this in kilowatts or in horsepower. We'll save this and then press Next. The power factor can be entered here if you have it. If it isn't listed on the nameplate, you may skip it and press Next. Acceleration and deceleration times are automatically calculated by our setup assistant. It calculates the appropriate value based on the size of the fan motor in horsepower or kilowatts. So we don't need to change this. Simply press Next for Step 9 and 10. Here we can choose how fast the motor or fan will run in manual mode. We'll select 58 Hz, press Save, and then Next. In Step 12 is where you can do a direction test. Select Yes, and then press Next. Once complete, we get a message saying it is safe to run. You can start the fan. If it's not in the direction you need it, you may choose Fixed Direction. This will simply update the parameters without the need to rewire any wires, saving you valuable time. For Step 13, select if your greenBOX is connected to the 24-volt backup power. Finally, Step 14 is where you have the chance to save the parameters to the control panel. We'll select Not Now for this demo. The setup is now complete. The Power Master is ready to go. Let's go back to the main menu. We'll start the VFD to test it. We could see that it is running and everything is set up correctly. You can now start operating the system. This is how simple it is to set up your Power Master VFD using Ecogate Setup Assistant.